In this lesson, we will create vector masks so that the photos on this web page can easily be moved or replaced as needed. In the Layers panel, select the Africa layer first. Use the rounded rectangle tool to make a path selection. Rounded rectangle tool. Up here on the toolbar, you want to make sure that you select the path. Select your path inside the photo. Hold Control and add a layer mask. You want the picture to be separate from the layer mask, so you click the link here to unlink them. You want to do the same for the next, so we're going to copy it down, hold the Alt key, and drag your vector mask down. You can do this to each individual picture, but we'll do it one at a time. So you select your mask, and you'll see that it looks like it disappeared. If you hold Control T, it will highlight your mask and you can drag it over. We're going to do this again. Alt, drag down. Now that all of your vector masks are created, you can see that all of your boxes are here. And when you get ready to edit these again later, you can remove them or you can add pictures into their place. But now we're going to add some style to the photo. So we're going to select that first mask here. We're going to go down here to Effects and add a stroke, which is a border. We're going to add 2 pixels here. Make sure that's a 2. Go down here and select Drop Shadow and click OK. Now the same way you drug the effects or the vector mask earlier, you can do the same on the others. If you select your edit and hold the Alt key, you can drag them down to each photo. And that's it in creating vector masks.